Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at ECMarkets. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. ECMarkets is a licensed and regulated multi-asset broker that was founded in 2011. This broker offers flexible accounts with tight spreads, low fees, and high leverage. You can start trading with as little as $100 when you open an account with ECMarkets. And if you are new to trading, you will have access to a beginner's course and an unlimited MetaTrader 4 demo account. As an ECMarkets client, you will get 24-hour customer support, trading central news and analysis, as well as an updated economic calendar that you can use to help you make more informed decisions. ECMarkets offers spreads from as low as 0 pips on a wide range of Forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices, metals, and oil. You can find out more about the instruments you can trade with ECMarkets by hovering your cursor over the Trade tab and choosing an option from the drop-down menu. A detailed overview of each instrument is provided, and the average spreads of all instruments can be viewed by heading to the Instruments page. If you require any assistance, you can reach the ECMarkets customer support team via email, telephone, or live chat. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, and you will find their contact details on the Contact Us page. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. ECMarkets offers a sophisticated, user-friendly website. On their homepage, you will find interactive links to all their instruments, accounts, and services offered. You can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by using the menu bar or the menus at the bottom of the page. As an ECMarkets client, you will have access to the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. You will have access to more than 30 technical indicators, and there are 9 different timeframes to choose from. MetaTrader 4 offers a high level of customizability and security, and is also a great option for traders who are interested in automating their strategies. Overall, you will have access to more than 38 technical indicators, customizable charts, multiple order types, and a variety of drawing tools. The MetaTrader platforms can be viewed in more than 20 international languages and can also be used for expert advisor trading and backtesting strategies. MetaTrader 4 can be used on desktops, laptops, tablets, and mobile devices. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4 and try it out for yourself, hover your cursor over the Trade tab and click on MetaTrader 4. There are 3 types of accounts that you can open with ECMarkets, and this broker also offers an unlimited MetaTrader 4 demo account. Any of the accounts can be opened by depositing at least $100 into your account, and these accounts do not have any limits on order size. All the instruments offered can be traded using any of these accounts, and the leverage offered is 1 to 500 on Forex pairs, 1 to 500 on metals, and 1 to 200 on oil. these accounts share many similarities in terms of margin call, trade size, and order execution. However, the Pro account is the only commission-free account. ECMarkets accounts are most commonly used for manifold trading strategies, and you will have access to a personal account manager. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing using a demo account until you have a solid understanding of how trading works. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions ECMarkets offers, click on the Trade tab and head over to the Account Overview page. Creating an account with ECMarkets will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is quick and easy. You can follow a few simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the ECMarkets homepage, and then click on the Start Trading button. Complete their online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And once your account has been verified, you can log in to their client portal. Once within their client portal, you can open live or demo accounts, check on your orders, view news and technical analysis, contact customer support, and much more. After your account has been verified and set up, the next step would be to download and install the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install MetaTrader 4, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with ECMarkets. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, and at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. A minimum deposit of $100 is required to open an account with ECMarkets. Several payment methods are supported, and the base currency of your deposit depends on the payment method you use. Once your account is approved, head over to the client portal to explore their platform and start building your portfolio. As a trader or investor, having access to reliable resources and trading tools is a key factor of success. ECMarkets provides a great selection of in-depth trading guides to help you learn the basics. You can also use the trading glossary provided when you come across new terminology or any unfamiliar words. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice using your free demo account. You will also have access to updated news, market analysis, and educational videos from Trading Central. And ECMarkets provides an intuitive economic calendar that you can filter to refine your search results. Overall, what we like most about ECMarkets is that this broker offers 3 flexible accounts with tight spreads and low commission fees. This broker also provides high-quality news updates and market insights, with an in-depth trading guide for beginners. The minimum deposits required may seem high depending on the exchange rates. However, you can use a free demo account for an unlimited amount of time if it is your first time trading, which will give you plenty of time to save up some money to open a live account. ECMarkets offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks and online markets are volatile. So be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. And that is our overview of ECMarkets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.